Hey guys, this is Abhilash.
I review apps and give you tips so that you can make the best out of your smartphone. Researching on a topic or browsing through Twitter or Facebook or web in general often leads to news stories or some interesting articles that seek your attention, but the chances of the fact that you can't read them the very moment is really high. And all you want is a way to save those articles so that you can sneak at them any moment you want. One way to deal with this problem is by bookmarking those pages in your web browser, or if you go little old school, save those web pages as PDF. Or if you still miss that article somehow, then we know how to Google it again. But wait, does not this sound too much on plate? I mean, who has so much time now? But there is a far better solution which I have been using for the past 4 years, and it is working so well for me that I would like to share it with you. Pocket Reader app is an offline reading app that works seamlessly with most of the reading apps or site you can think of. Whenever you come across a story you want to devote some serious time to, save it to Pocket. In your free time, open the Pocket app and jump straight into something you have already saved even if you are offline. This is not limited to text content, but is also useful for videos, slides and other types of media. How to set it up? Set a Pocket so you can easily save content wherever you spot it, on the desktop, on your phone or on Twitter, Slack, Amazon Alexa devices or Kindle devices. I'm gonna demo on how to save an article to Pocket on an Android phone, on a computer and via email. I'll add a link in the description where you can check the instruction on how to integrate Pocket on other platforms. On your computer, add the Pocket extension to your browser. When clicked, it will save the current page to the Pocket. I have added a link to the Pocket extension in the description box below. Alternatively, you can install the Pocket Bookmarklet instead. Like extension, the Pocket Bookmarklet can be used to save whatever page you are viewing to Pocket. When you find something you want to save on your Android device, look for the Share button. When you tap on Share, you will be presented with a list of share options, and you will find Add to Pocket. Tap on it to save that article to Pocket. Saving to Pocket via email is as easy as sending an email. Simply send any link, only one link at a time, that you want to save in the body to @getpocket.com. URLs you have saved to Pocket from the desktop or mobile app will appear in the My List section. The pages you will find in the list are arranged in the decreasing order of their publishing date. Pocket allows users to favorite pages they have enjoyed reading. You can find the articles you have favorited in the favorite section. Within the app, you can choose to view the article in the web view or in article view. Article view removes all ads and junks on a web page, gives you flexibility to adjust various fonts and other display options to provide you with a better reading experience. You can change the brightness level, font, text size and overall theme to either light, dark or sepia from text settings. If you are tired or you don't want to stress your eyes, the app can read the article aloud. You may find the text-to-speech voice a little robotic. On mobile, you can tap this headphone icon to start a playlist of all your saved content. You can also go into individual articles and click on the headphone icon to play that particular article. When you are playing a story, you can go back or skip ahead 15 seconds at a time, change the voice speed and archive the story. If you have an Alexa device, you can add the Pocket skill by going to the Alexa app. Once you have been using Pocket for a while, it can be hard to keep track of what you have saved. One way to make locating things easier is to tag them. Select a piece of content, click the three dots and then add tags, type a tag and hit enter. Alternatively, if you are in My List section, you can long press and add tags. If you want to tag all your content, click on the bulk edit option, select all the stories you want for a particular tag, click add tag and enter the tag. Aside from saving articles, you can save specific passages in Pocket. Drag your finger across a passage and select highlight and it will get stored. To see all your highlights in one place, go to highlight section. So you can use this feature to save a quote you liked or something like that. Pocket's Discover section lets you find interesting articles based on what you read and who you follow. On the desktop, this tab is named as Recommended. In this section, you will find cool technology, lifestyle and science articles. Just tap on the save button to save it to your Pocket. It provides an option to use the phone's volume keys as a scroller, specify the default storage location. You can turn off the app rotation lock feature. Pocket lets users specify the amount of data it should save and the number of times it should sync the content on your device. Some websites ask users to log in to the app to access the content. Pocket provides a manage site logins feature which prompts user to enter the login credentials of the websites. You have to enter the username and password once and the app will take care of the rest. If you want more from Pocket, then you can upgrade to Pocket Premium, which costs around 300 INR per month or 535 INR per year. Once you become premium, everything you save is archived to your Pocket account even if it's wiped off the internet. Pocket will suggest tags while saving an article and provide you with a more robust search function. It's a must-have app for any smartphone. If you have never used it before or if you are not using to its full potential, I highly recommend that you start doing so. Pocket will enable you to save the best of the web in your pocket and access them on any of your favorite devices. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. If you love this kind of videos, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for all my future videos.